Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm not listening to anything tonight it's 10:03 p.m. over here in Korea, so you guys, or wherever you guys are, probably waking up, probably going to work. I'm just bored, so I wanted to do a look for you guys. The bubbles look that James Charles did, this one, can you see that? I'm gonna recreate this because it is life and I love it. So I noticed that like I'm always rushing, so I was like, let me just take my time, do an out of this world look, because this is a cute look for Halloween, you know. So I want to be James Charles for Halloween and blow bubbles. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you want to see how I recreate this look, then keep watching. I'm chilling. I'm not getting dressed up for this video, so y'all can just throw on a sweatshirt and do it with me. All right, so he has blue in the tear duct, a dark purplish blue, purple, then reddish pink. So I'm gonna just wing this motherfucking shit, okay? Because I don't have a dark blue, so I think I'm gonna go in with a concealer first, and then let me lay out all my palettes. I'm gonna be using Juvia's Place palette, Jaclyn Hill's palette, and I don't know what else, whatever else I can find. So should I go in with the eye primer or a concealer? I'm gonna go in with a concealer because I think concealer is better. It's not as tacky, so it dries a little faster, and that's what I like, because I noticed when I use eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it just creases. Maybe I'm putting a layer, maybe I'm putting it on too thick, who knows. Which one should I do? This dries pretty fast. What is this? Amplifying eye primer. Or should I use the NYX eyeshadow base in white, Blanca? Which one? I don't know. You better stop. You better get your ass out of here. It's my cat. I'm gonna just go in with my eyeshadow base from Fenty Beauty. And if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna go over it with my concealer. Ever since I found out like concealer can be your base, I don't use an eyeshadow primer. Like, who does that? So I'm gonna go in. So he has the pink at the corners, purple, darkish of blue, and then light blue. So I'm gonna go in with this pink right here from the Masquerade by Juvia's palette in Bori. It's like this shimmery pink, but it's really pigmented, so I'm gonna use it. And then he looks like he does a cut crease. Fuck. I'm gonna just blend, okay? It's not that hard to blend, you guys. Start out small and then go in circular motions and just take your time. I notice I don't be taking, when I do videos, I don't try to take my time. I'd be like, no, I'm gonna take my time, okay? So grab a fucking bag of popcorn, because it's gonna be I just saved my mustache too. Oh, what is this? What is this coming from? All right. I already did my brows. I did my brows with the Kat Von D medium brown pomade and the Anastasia angled 7B brush. And then sealed it with the Lancome's styler in 00. And then just cleaned it up with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in light beige. Alright, so now he has like a dark kind of purple. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go in first with the Zobo. And then the next color would be the Makita. You guys know some good colored palettes that's really good in pigment? Drop it down below in the comments because I need some new palettes to buy. Feel me? It's not as pigmented as his, but I mean, it's not as purple as his, but you know, what other purple should I put in there? From the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna take this blue. Can y'all see that? Bluish purple right there. Now move on to the other eye. Slowly blend. Like it barely looks like I have any product, but that's how slow you have to go. Like it probably is really, really time consuming, but if you're like somebody that's on the run and like not on the run, but on the go, and oh hell no. What was I about to say? You're on the go, I would just stick with like a shimmer shade or like a contour shade, you know, but not something too like heavy. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut it, put the white liner on, and then finished up underneath. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Mine is probably like a little bit more dramatic. And this fucking white liner keeps touching. I need all new makeup. This cream shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette right here, and I'm just gonna pack that on. For this blue, I'm taking these two colors right here, and I'm just going to shade them in. This paintbrush, and I need to clean it off. Taking this paintbrush and then the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Liner in 60 Milk. And I'm just getting some on my brush. Making sure it's all fully coated. And then I'm gonna take the e.l.f. liner. This is just e.l.f. regular liner, and do my cat eye. Okay, so now that we got the eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the face. I'm gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. And then I already did my brows. I'm gonna lay down my foundation, and then we can go into the bubbles. So I drew on the freckles. Girl, I'm done. Okay, and now I'm gonna attempt to do these damn bubbles. I think I have too many dots, but you know what? That's okay. So I'm gonna wipe this brush off and then do these bubbles like very fucking carefully. So let's go. Okay, now that we got that done, I'm gonna just pop on some lip gloss. I really can't move my lips right now because this face paint. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it. This shit was hard as fuck, but a bitch did it. Tried her best. I think it's pretty good though. So yeah, I think it is pretty awesome. This look was really cute. Yeah, so recommend me some products, guys, because I definitely need new ones. So I'm gonna blow you a bubble and I'll see you next time.